everyone, welcome to the very first episode of with Vase. And I'm Jazz. I'm going to find different interesting items to arrange and see if it will vase or not. This video is sponsored by Epoch Floral Atelier, and here I've got my very first container vase to arrange, and this is called a Jasperware, and this color is called Wedgewood blue, and it's developed in the 1770, and it got very popular with its viscous finishing. So let's arrange it. Finished. Now let's put our final piece in. Here is the final piece, and I'm going to flex it open. Ta-da! It's done. Thank you for staying with me this whole time, and small tips for you today. You can always flex your tulips to make your arrangement more interesting. And if you have garden roses, like what I have here, you can also use it for your arrangements at home. Please subscribe to us, and I look forward to see you next time. And please comment below to let me know what would you like me to arrange next time. Thank you. Bye. Goodbye.